Are you trying to improve your squat depth? In this video, we're going to show you a real person with squat problems and show you how she is able to improve her squat depth with simple strategies and simple principles. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you think right, move right, and feel right. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos where we show you how to do exercises properly, how to think about your body, research on aches and pains, and just how to get your body feeling good. In this video, you're going to see a segment from the Healthy Hips Workshop. The Healthy Hips Workshop is a live class that we put on a couple times a year where we share evolving principles and strategies that we use with our clients to help them train their hips to be fully functional, healthy, and happy. In this segment, you're going to see Trevor working with one of our attendees to help her improve her squat depth. You'll see right from the beginning how limited her squat is, and you'll see the simple steps and strategies that help her improve her squat depth and what she's going to do for the long term to improve her squat depth. Now, if you're struggling with your own squat problems, this will be really helpful. So get a pen and a piece of paper and start taking some notes because you're going to learn some awesome stuff from this segment.
Told you you're coming up. All right, so let's see. Go ahead and squat for us. Okay. Again, and pause at the bottom. What prevents you from going further?
I feel like there's a log jam right in here.
In the hip?
Right here.
Okay. Okay.
And at our club.
It looks like you're almost falling backwards. Is that
Oh
true?
yeah, I feel like I could fall backwards.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if I'm using an assist at the club, like a pole or something like that, then I can drop down. But I'm using arms at that point, you know. But I thought, well, I just want to feel what that feels like to get down.
Try that. Yep. Already better.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And there's less in here.
Mm-hmm.
So
Go
that's
again.
a core engagement then.
Mm-hmm. Go again. Okay.
But there's a
You
lot
push your
there.
knee forward more. Now sit deeper.
Ah.
So, one issue that can arise in the squat is the ankle. So it's mostly hip flexibility that we're looking at the squat, but also the ankle flexibility. So, you should put your heels right up on the edge of this guy. And same width as you had before. Find a comfortable spot. Now, sit.
So that's ankle.
It is. So I knew that she was going to be able to do that because I've seen her move her hips this entire weekend. So for you, your ankles are limiting your squat. It is also a little bit of core engagement.
Okay.
So here's a drill that I would have you do. Okay. So I'm going to have you go down. Sit down as deep as you can into your squat. And then you get to hold on to this to pull you in deeper. And pull yourself as upright as you can. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is slowly take your hands off of the kettlebell and maintain that position.
You'll have to guide me through again.
So just go down to the bottom of your squat, grab onto that kettlebell when you get down there. Now use that kettlebell to pull yourself as deep as you can into your squat. Now sit up nice and tall. Good. Now try and maintain that position without the kettlebell. So slowly let go. Figure out how you can do it. You might need to come up a little bit out of the squat, so figure out how you can sit. Yeah, good. So that's already maybe even slightly deeper than she was when she was holding on to her counterbalance earlier. What'd you feel?
Well, this does not feel near as jammed up.
Cool.
And it felt a lot more released. I felt like I was activating my core totally.
That's it. So for you, the core activation is preventing you from getting deeper in your squat.
Okay, wow. And I've been working a lot on core too. So, and that's been a big issue with me too. So
This brings up a good point as to why we would. So even if you have a very strong core, you may not be using it. So coordinating a movement takes more than just being strong. It actually takes practicing that movement and learning how to coordinate everything together, right?
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah, I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video, but the learning doesn't have to stop there. If you want to see 2 more real live case studies with people with totally different squat problems and their solutions, then check out the Healthy Hips Workshop preview. It's free on our website. The link is down below. In the workshop preview, you're going to see what kinds of stuff we talk about in this workshop, and you're going to see those 2 case studies that are really different from what you just saw in this squat demonstration. So be sure to check it out if you've been having squat problems. Added bonus, when you sign up for the free workshop preview, you will be the first to be notified when we set dates for upcoming workshops, so you will have the first chance to sign up and register for upcoming Healthy Hips workshops. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. Click the like button, subscribe, share this video with somebody you know with squat problems, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.